What's good, YouTube? We back, man. They trying to keep us down, but we back. It's your boy Astro, and welcome to Kicking It with Astro. Feel me? It's been a while. It's been, I think about like 8, 9, 10 months since I've recorded a video. Since I actually, seen y'all, since I talked to y'all, showed y'all what I got. Feel me? But I'm hype. I'm back. I'm back like Jordan, wearing number 45. Feel me? That's what we doing. That's what we doing. It's been a busy like 10 months. Been doing New York Fashion Week. I'm a part of a brand called Tell the Truth. So I have a video coming soon about that. I'm gonna give y'all a lot of details on what I was doing. I finally got a fucking gaming chair. You see me swivel back and forth. I'm hyped. It's not a gaming chair, it's an office chair, but I needed it. I couldn't sit on my bed playing video games. I couldn't sit in a dining room chair and just play video games. So I feel mad comfortable, just mad loose. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like the video, comment. I miss y'all. Write in the comments, interact with me. I'm always gonna read that. I've been changing my room up. As you can see, I've been adding like new shit. I want to get more vinyls, so that's like another video I'm gonna do on like my search for all the Travis Scott vinyls, like every single one. 2 paintings my sister gave me. I love you, sis. I did that one, the Drake one. But I'm just transitioning from like having my room to like a regular room to like a streaming room. I'm just doing more with fashion, so stay tuned. But nevertheless, we here with a pair of sneakers. I haven't bought sneakers in mad long, bro. I haven't gotten a pair of sneakers in mad long. Like I haven't since my birth, like since June. I haven't had a pair of sneakers, like a new pair. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I became a hype beast. I bought a Supreme pair. Yes, it's a Nike pair, but it's a pair of kicks that a lot of people had in middle school. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. They're the Nike Air Bakins. If you were in middle school, you already knew it was the red and orange pair, red and black, and it had like yellow laces. So I guess Supreme did a collab with Nike and they dropped 2 pairs. They dropped the multicolored pair and they dropped the white pair. Of course, being the person that I am, I'm going to get the multicolored pair. I'm like, damn, why did I get these shits? Like, I'm like, damn. It's not gonna be hard to style it, but finding multicolored things and like making it look good, it's a challenge for me. Little challenge, but we're here. I love challenges. The box is clean though. I was not expecting the box to look like this. It's actually like a regular black Nike box, and it just has like Supreme on the front and like Supreme on the back. And I was like, it's pretty dope. I'll fuck with it. The wrapping paper actually has Nike and Supreme, but it's white on white. It's kind of weird. I thought they would have like a red Supreme on the white wrapping paper, but I guess niggas is not thinking. But god damn. You should go crazy. And they come with a second set of laces. I love sneakers that come with a second set of laces. Like, I don't understand. Like, it's just, I can't deal with one set. I need, like, at least 2 or 3. These came with a black set, so I'm like, thank God. Yeah. You see that? It's an NYC on the back. Like, I guess this was the main reason why I bought the shoe, because I don't have anything that reps New York besides like New York Yankee hats, but I'm not wearing Yankee hats until the baseball season starts. But a pair of kicks that says NYC on the back, and like the design they picked for it is hard, bro. Supreme on the tag. I love sneakers that have these because I collect them. And like I put them up on my window or whatever. Black pair of laces. I can dig it. But these look crazy though. Like, hold on. Like, I remember in school, like middle school, I think parts of high school too, like mad niggas had these. Playing ball in them and everything. Red, black, yellow laces. If you know, you know. I like these though. I could easily style these. What am I talking about? This is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love, nah, these go crazy. Nah, these go crazy. Hold on the laces that has Supreme on it, on like the lace tag or whatever, but I like these. I like these. Y'all already know how I get down. Straight to the feet. As soon as this video is over, straight to the feet. But hold on. There's something about like a new shoe smell. One of these days, I will be mad as fuck if this smells like feet, bro. Like, I will be mad as shit. I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna stop sniffing these because now it smells like straight feet. It had to be used. On the inside, it says Nike Air, has Supreme. I ain't put them on yet. I barely even opened the box when I got them. I wanted to like make the video. And honestly, this was the sole reason why I copped these. I copped these to make a video for y'all. Like, I miss doing reviews on sneakers, and it's been like a dark, not a dark couple of months, but it's like been life-changing and figuring out myself. So this is very therapeutic to me. I enjoy shopping. I enjoy making videos like these, being funny on the videos, my reactions to the sneakers, y'all enjoying the videos, y'all watching it, the support, everything. Like, it really means a lot to me. So I said, you know, fuck it, I'm gonna get back on doing what I had to do with, you know, content creating, making videos and shit. I'm already doing the stylist thing, but I said I had to do more. I can't just be, you know, doing the stylist thing and just, that's it. Like, nah, I gotta do more. I gotta get back to doing YouTube. My I said Switch. Yo, my Twitch stream, I'm gonna drop that in the comments because I'm also gonna be streaming. What the fuck is wrong with me today? I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch. MLB The Show comes out on Tuesday. I gotta come back, man. I gotta come back and play MLB The Show. I play 2K also. I play Elden Ring. I just started the game, and that game is hard as... Bro, I'm watching YouTube, like, to have music in the background. Give me a fucking advertisement in the middle of a song. That is so upsetting. But nah, so I just started Elden Ring. I need help on that. Like, that game is treacherous and it's not fun. Like, I die so many times. I'm just like, you know what? What's the point of even playing the game? Like, nah. But I'm gonna get back to doing the things that I love. And this was one of them. I will look the soul, but I ain't trying to trust what people been at, but these just go crazy. I already got a fit in mind for these too, I ain't gonna lie. I'm throwing these on today, so probably what I'm wearing right now, I'm just gonna throw them on and yeah, like, that's it. It's raining outside, it's fucking pouring. I don't care, I'm probably gonna put some like rain protector on it and just call it a day. But these shits are beautiful. These shits are beautiful, like, these are crazy. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. I was like, what the fuck is that? But these shits are crazy. I like them. Honestly, I'm gonna do another top 10. I gotta do another top 10, and these probably are number one. These are probably number one, for sure. Who'd imagine, like, in middle school, I always wanted a pair of Bakins. I just couldn't get a pair. And then, like, as I got older, I just never found, like, a good pair that was like, you know what, I like those, I'm a cop. Oh, they say Supreme on the front, too? That's hard. Yeah, straight to the feet, y'all. Straight to the feet, come on now. But I'm back, man. I'm back like Jordan. And I'm happy that I'm I'm back. I'm happy that I'm doing things that I love to do again. I've been grinding. You know, while I was away, I wasn't just, you know, lollygagging. I was fixing myself, changing my routine, and doing the stylist thing, grinding, working. So all we gotta do is just keep pushing. We just gotta keep working. So I'm glad that I'm back. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's Astro fucking Cuddy. He's kicking it with Astro.